on every penny, who graces every little stamp? Who can you see on every 20, who has a royal flag? Who has a crown of gold and rubies? Who loves to ride upon a horse? Who has a soft spot for a corgi? Queen Elizabeth, of course. Jubilees, we've had a few, silver, gold and diamond too. This one's special, you will see, platinum jubilee. Jubilees, we've had a few, silver, gold and diamond too. This one's special, you will see, platinum jubilee. Who's been a true and loyal servant, and who do we see on Christmas Day? Who loves the church and her family? Who gives the best royal wave? Who troops the colour every birthday? Who's travelled all around the globe? Who is the longest reigning monarch? Who wears a crown and robe? Jubilees, we've had a few, silver, gold and diamond too. This one's special,